Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to disable an ad blocker in Google Chrome. Start by opening your Google Chrome. And go to the three dot on your top right and navigate to Settings. Navigate to the left options and go to Privacy and Settings. Scroll down until you find the option called Site. Settings, click on it. And scroll down until you find the option called Pop UPS and Redirects. Click on Sites can send a pop-up and use redirect. Go back once again and click on Additional Content. Settings. Scroll down until you find the option called Intrusive Ad and click it. Make it to any site you visit. You can show any ad to you and toggle it on. And that's it. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.